Today we're going to look at the Modulo Move feature, which is available for LinMot CIP sync drives. This feature can prove useful when implementing certain motion profiles with LinMot's rotary motors. For example, if I wanted to implement this profile in which I go from 0 to 90 degrees, do a 200 millisecond dwell, then go back to 0 degrees in the positive direction, and I wanted to use absolute moves, this would require me to continually send larger and larger position values in order to ensure that the motor moved in the positive direction. If I wanted to run this motion profile while only sending absolute motion commands between 0 and 360 degrees, the Modulo Move feature would allow this functionality. Here I have a drive that is connected to a rotary motor. Let's start by looking at the drive's motor wizard settings. I'm going to leave this in the default linear unit system, but I'm going to change 1 revolution to be equal to 360 millimeters for convenience. Next, I need to activate Modulo Move in the drive. To do this, I can go to Parameters, Motion Control Software, Motor Configuration, Modulo Configuration, and switch Modulo Mode on. Then I can define the minimal and maximal positions. I want all of my positions to be between 0 and 360 degrees, which corresponds to 0 and 360 millimeters, according to the millimeters per revolution I chose earlier in the motor wizard. Once I restart the firmware, I'm ready to move on to the PLC program. To record the motion of the motor, I'm using the drive's built-in oscilloscope. More information on the oscilloscope in LinMot Talk can be found in a separate tutorial. In Studio 5000, I have logic to handle the move to 0 and the move to 90. The Modulo Move functionality is contained within the LM-MAM AOI. The move types 2, 3, and 4 make use of Modulo moves. Note that these move types can only be used with profile 0, which is a trapezoidal move. In this case, I'll want to use move type 3 as I'll want to move to 0 from 90 in the positive direction. To show why this is necessary, I'll begin by using move type 0 in my move to 0 degrees. This is an absolute move. With the absolute move, I can see that the drive is going between 0 and 90 degrees, not going from 90 back around to 360 like I want. To fix this, I can change the move type to 3, which corresponds to a rotary positive move. Using the drive's oscilloscope, I can now see that the motor is moving in the positive direction as I'd like. Thanks for watching.